on this very special day when we welcome a new addition to our campus, a sculpture that has been created as a result of a partnership between our school and Dilijan Space. The school has been imagined and created by Veronika Zonabend and Ruben Vardanyan, and it has always been their dream to bring Armenia to the world and to bring the world to Armenia. And today is another occasion when this is happening.
Hello, Barior. My name is Kirill and this is my colleague Sasha. We are an artist and this is our art object, our installation here in Dilijan. It's called The Book.
The focus of the project is on Dilijan. Dilijan is a town now, but before it became a town, it was 8 different villages. One of them was called Papanino, and this sculpture is devoted to it.
We've been discovering this place, Papanino, the district of the Dilijan, for more than 1 month. And we have a lot of conversations with the locals, the Molokans and Armenian people living here in Dilijan.
Раньше здесь было село Слободка, которое основали русские переселенцы. Так как их здесь осталось мало, и эта история уходящая, хотелось ее вот в таком виде сохранить. Здесь, на этом месте, на месте колледжа, были их фруктовые сады, и мы захотели оставить их в истории, сделали вот эту импровизированную книгу.
And it's made of the concrete and glass with a Russian and Armenian text describing the history of the place. I think it found the best place it could be installed in this stair line with a great view from the hill.
We are very happy that we will be able to have it on our campus and that will become a tourist attraction for everybody that visits Dilijan in the future.